I remember when all I hoped and waited for every month was just my salary. And I sincerely tried to save, but because of bills, it was hard. And I said to myself, there has to be more than this. And truly speaking, there is more because the key to financial success is by having multiple streams of income. I know this might not be your first time hearing this, but do you know that an average millionaire has about 7 sources of income? And so you don't freak out about time consumption for you to have these multiple streams of income. It's good you know that some of them can be active, it can be passive, it can also be portfolio. And for me, passive income is so amazing, and I'm going to elaborate on it more later on this video. So please, do you have multiple streams of income? What are they? Can you please share in the comment section? Thank you so much. Hi everyone. If this is your first time seeing my face, thank you so much for stopping by. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I do appreciate you all. So in today's video, I thought it would be interesting to share with you guys 7 powerful ways you can grow your income beyond 9 to 5 salary, even if you're starting with a little. So let's get into it. Okay, now having multiple streams of income doesn't mean that you won't have your life anymore. You won't have time for your family anymore, or even for yourself. No, this is because there is active, there is passive, and also portfolio means of earning. Me, I'm among those that preach that you should give yourself time, like taking all those shits, multiple shit here and there, overworking yourself. In fact, if you don't have passive income by now, what are you waiting for? By the time you get to that stage, you have really arrived, because that's when you are sleeping and you're making money. It doesn't require you to be there. Active income is good, but it requires you to be there, right? Maybe your 9 to 5 job, but you should also create other means of, earning that doesn't require you to be there. Okay, now the first way you can grow your income beyond 9 to 5 salary is to monetize your skills. Now, what is that thing that people always come to you for? Is it writing? Is it graphics? Is it teaching or video editing? Whatever it may be, just turn it into service and start earning just by doing what you love, maybe on a part-time basis. Right now, the demand for video editing is very high. Businesses, brands, even content creators, they need good editors to make their content stand out and be engaging. And you don't need expensive apps or tutorials to start. There are lots of free YouTube tutorials on that. And the best way you can get your potential customers is by reaching out to people you want to work for. And all you need is just 2 or 3 persons to say yes for you to do the editing for them, and that's it. You can ask them to please help you to tell people that you're the one that did the work for them. And trust me, if your work is good, you'll be the one rejecting jobs because it will be overwhelming. This is exactly how I found my future video editor. Yeah, and I say future because not now. I mean, when I start earning on YouTube, because trust me, it is not cheap, and you have that skills and you're still on it. God gave you gifts for service that brings increase. The second way you can grow your income is by selling digital products. And so you don't need an online presence before you can sell your digital products. All you need to do is think, is there anything you can teach people? Like, is there any knowledge you have? Okay. And then you need to create the digital product and sell it on platforms like Etsy. Yes, I know that Etsy is somehow like saturated, but to be honest with you, if you have a good product, a good digital product that can stand out, people will buy. You can start by searching for digital products that people, always look for, and then you create it and then put it out there. So examples of digital products are ebook, templates, planners, devotionals, and many more. The beauty about digital product is that you do the work one time and it has long-term reward. Every time someone downloads your digital product, you wake up to, credit alert, and that is passive income. And I will ask again, what knowledge do you have that people need? Turn it to a digital product. I know one YouTuber, she explained how she left her teaching job and now a YouTuber. She then created digital products of those things she knows that teachers need to make work easier for them. and she's cashing out big time. The third way you can grow your income is by investing. And I have said this multiple times on my channel. Honestly, keeping your money in your checking account doesn't help in any way. And your bank doesn't want you to know this because they are using your money to make money. Of course, it's people's money that banks uses to make money. And the painful part is that they will still charge you for using your money to make money every month. But if you start investing your money in index funds, in stocks, ETFs or real estate, if you can, or if you cannot invest in physical real estate, you can invest in real estate stocks, like we call it REITs, REITs. You can also invest your money in good and profitable businesses. Just do your research before you start investing in any business, no matter who is selling the business to you. That is why I said profitable businesses. Don't be in a haste to invest in any business because you might end up enriching people and losing your money. Trust me, I'm speaking from experience. So when you start investing, it grows and works even while you are sleeping, and that is passive income. Another way you can earn passively through investing is by investing in stocks and ETFs that pays you dividends monthly or quarterly. For me, I have three favorite dividend ETFs. I will share them with you guys in my future videos. I mean, I guess I have so many videos now that I'm owing you guys, but be rest assured, I'm going to do all those videos. So for me, dividend ETF is better than dividend stock. The reason being that a stock is for a single company and ETF is stocks from so many companies. So a company can decide to stop paying dividends, based on what is happening in the company. Because remember, the dividend payment is from the gains, the company made. But because ETF comprises of so many companies, all the companies cannot just stop paying dividend at the same time. So you are more assured that you'll be paid dividend, when you invest in dividend ETF than dividend stock. And also when you start investing in stocks and funds, you will enjoy capital appreciation. And this is where the real wealth is. Historically, the S&P 500 index fund has grown by an average of 8 to 10% annually. So this basically means that your investment has the potential to increase significantly over time. If you want to learn more on the step-by-step guide on how you can start your investing journey, please check the pinned comments on the comment section. Another way you can increase your income is by running an online courses or tutoring. This can be actively, that is tutoring, or passively, that is having online courses. If you can teach, yes, I said that because it's not everyone that can teach, because teaching is a ministry. But if you can teach and you have something to teach people, to provide value, just go for it. You don't have to commute, you can do it virtually. Also, if you have a skill or a concept that you can teach people and provide value to them, then think of how you can package it, as a course or a coaching offer and put it out there. Trust me, there are so many people that are waiting for your services, and that is money. This is why chasing after money endlessly or being obsessed with money does not guarantee that you will make money. Just focus on creating values and solutions, and money will flow to you. So these are the ways I think you can increase your income beyond 9 to 5 salary. If you enjoyed this video, you might as well enjoy the one I will link below. Thank you all so much for stopping by, and I will see you in my next one.